Tonight.
Awarding
our
dealers.
yes.
And thank you, Coach, for being there for us. Ang dami-dami po nating top dealers. Nakabihis po sila ng grande, kaya take advantage tayo dito sa camera, right?
Yes, thank you very much,
So
ma'am.
stay tuned, stay
Ay grabe, alam nyo last year, ini-imagine lang namin tong events na to. Ngayon, nandito na. Grabe, ngayong gabi, masasaksihan ng buong mundo
Yes.
yung maraming mga nabago yung buhay because of the UPS. So guys, maniwala ka lang, etong negosyong to, marami pang
Yes.
payayamanin, lalo na next year. But this night, celebrate natin yung first year anniversary,
Yung
ma'am.
mga top awardees, yung
Yes.
talagang nag-succeed through Global Pinoy, si Juan de la Cruz. Naku, medyo naiiyak na nga kami dahil they're just like ordinary people, pero grabe ang sacrifice and hard work that they did.
Correct.
We're gonna award those successful people tonight, diba? And through Global Pinoy, maatim na natin ang ating mga pangarap. Isn't that right?
Yes.
So, he is he's been very, very supportive of all of the dealers sa UPS. So, sir, what can you say about this event?
Well, thank you very much, Ariane, and I would like to welcome everyone to the anniversary of the UPS, or GPRS, I meant, rather.
Okay. And makakapanayam natin ang isa sa awardees tonight, si Mr. Jerry Josareno. And Jerry, we're very proud of you. I know 2 days ago, he got a brand new car
Yeah.
from Global Pinoy Remittance Services. And now, an award on stage. So, one of the top 20. So, how do you feel?
Ay, Miss Ariane, thank you so much. Grabe, talagang tatlong araw na ako, tatlong gabi na ako hindi nakakatulog eh. Sobrang excited talaga, grabe, no? So, yes, sa loob ng 365 days at talagang nakikita natin yung result na nandun yung focus mo, nandun yung talagang ginagawa natin na yung business. At ito yung day natin na talagang marirecognize lahat ng effort na ginagawa natin.
Okay.
So guys, guys, sali na kayo!
Okay, congratulations, Jerry. Thank you. Okay, good evening. Right now, makakapanayam natin ang isa sa mga leaders and one of the top awardees din tonight, right?
Yeah, one awardee. So ngayon, guys, this is just a beginning, no, of our success. So kumbaga, ang layo po marating natin. What's in stores for us? Grabe po, no? So nakita po namin kung gaano.
Okay, good evening. Ngayon, we have a very special guest, si Mr. Lindon, who flew all the way from Abu Dhabi, right?
Yes.
Para lang makapanayam tayo. And he's one of the top awardees din. So, Mr. Lindon, sobrang saya namin. Nakadating ka, layo-layo pa.
Thank you po.
Congratulations. Anong masasabi nyo?
Masasabi ko lang po, grabe, no? Sobra yung GPRS. Galing pa po kami Abu Dhabi and nagtatrabaho po kami sa Abu Dhabi for 9 years na po kami sa Abu Dhabi.
OFW talaga.
OFW talaga.
Oo,
And
okay,
then,
pusong OFW.
Yes.
So how are the people of GPRS Abu Dhabi?
ay, power po talaga.
Power.
Talaga
Oo,
power
one of
po.
the strongest groups talaga yan.
Yes, for
Oo.
4 months po, nagkaroon po kami ng 300 downlines.
Oh my God. So
For 4
anyway, your spirit and all of them are with you tonight.
Yes,
So
po.
I'm quite sure matutuwa sila makita ka.
Yes,
Ngayon
power.
sila-
Team champion.
Oo, sa camera. And congratulations
Thank you po.
later on
Thank you po.
to your
Thank you.
award. So very
Thank
happy
you,
for
thank
you.
you, thank you.
Thank you, guys. Guys, nandito ngayon si Mr. Totti. He's one of our very top technical trainers sa Global Pinoy. Kailangan ko talagang ma-interview to. Happy ka ba?
Yes, sobra.
Oh,
The best
andito
talaga ang
tayo-
GPRS UPS.
Andito na tayo sa Aliw. Oh,
Yes.
so nakabihis lahat. Okay
Yes.
ba?
So
Kaya-
excited talaga to, exciting talaga. Super exciting.
Oh, so what can you say? They should join us, right? Oo.
Yes.
Oo. And si Totti also has many people abroad,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Teammates.
Canada, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, kahit
Wow,
saan. ang
international.
dami. Yes.
International.
Through internet lang po, through Facebook, through LinkedIn, ang dami. Yun. And then
So-
sulit.com. Okay.
Congratulations, Mr. Chris is one of our top awardees tonight here at Global Pinoy. And please tell us about your group sa Singapore.
Okay po. Unang-una po, magandang umaga sa lahat and happy anniversary sa GPRS. Alright. So, we have 600 members right under my organization in Singapore and I have about 500 in UAE. And I have total about more than 20 countries right now.
Wow,
Okay, so
okay.
ganun po kadami yung members natin at tuloy-tuloy po, araw-araw, maraming pumapasok. So, hindi po mababa sa 50 a week.
ang papasok sa organization natin. So,
Power.
maganda talaga yung dating ng GPRS sa atin.
Okay.
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 So, yun po.
How do you feel tonight? Now you're here in
Great.
Manila.
Siyempre masaya ako kasi this is my first time na na-awardan sa ganitong negosyo,
Our
no?
first year.
So,
yes.
yeah, I'm very grateful for this
Well,
kind of
more
business.
power to Singapore and hope that lumaki pa ng lumaki ang
Yes,
ating
yes.
continent. We have Mr. Nams Bulong, and he is one of our top leaders sa Mindanao, right? Where in Mindanao exactly?
General Santos City.
General Santos. And also, isa siya sa ating awardees tonight. Ano po ba yung award? Yung...
Millionaires Club.
Wow, Millionaires Club! Katabi natin isang millionaire. So talagang, ano ba sikreto, Mr. Please let us know, ano bang ginawa niyo for Global
Actually,
Pinoy?
walang sikreto po ho. Walang sikreto ho ng pagiging milyonaryo. Basta ang kailangan lang talaga na you have to focus kung anong company meron ka ngayon at pangalagaan mo kung anong opportunity binigay sa atin ngayon.
How many
Yun lang ang
people
kailangan.
do you already have there in Mindanao?
Mga almost mga 1,000 plus na po.
Wow, talagang gustong-gusto nila yung Global Pinoy na
Opo,
business. Oh, okay. That's
So,
very good. So,
opo.
andito ba? How do you feel right now being an awardee?
Actually, I'm very excited because that way 1 year ago, talagang nag-start kami dito. Pero after 1 year, ito na yung nangyari. I got my brand new car in just only 7 months.
Wow!
Dito
And
sa
then
atin.
he has about 1,000 people na rin and
Yes.
members, no? Marami pang pumunta from Laguna
Oo
tonight.
naman, marami.
Okay, supporting you. Yes. Number one kong paborito, si Cap. Cap, awardee kayo ngayong araw, ha? Congrats.
Power ang UPS. I'm the one of top earner of UPS. Awardan ako mamaya ng Montero Sports.
Wow, Montero!
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. Tingnan mo naman si Cap, ha? Kahit na batang-bata pa, working
yeah.
so hard pa.
I'm also a member of the Millionaires Club
Millionaires
of
Club.
UPS.
Okay, so kayo po kailangan mag-join na rin ng Global Pinoy
Yeah.
dahil tingnan nyo naman, ebidensya natin dito si Cap.
Yes.
Still, Cap, ilang taon na ba Cap?
Tipor, I'm earning 70 up to 100,000 weekly.
Wow, wow. So, talaga, there is the mind, ha? You put
Yes.
your mind to it, maging
Yes.
successful.
Okay.
Thank you, Cap. You're
Okay,
an
thank you.
inspiration to us all.
Thank you.
Kita po sa akin, that was last year, 2011. Imagine po, in just 1 year, total transformation po yung nangyari po sa akin. Sobrang ganda po, napakaganda ng Christmas. Kasi si Global Pinoy, imagine, nakatanggap po ako ng regalo sa kanya, isang brand new na Toyota Vios.
Ay, congratulations pala. That was 2 days ago.
Yes ma'am, that was 2 days ago. So, nakakatuwa po kasi...
Nakakatuwa naman. Biro mo, brand new car.
Yes ma'am.
Imagine that.
Grabe po talaga ang Global Pinoy. Iba talaga na nabibigay sa ating mga Pilipino. At the same time, talagang makakatulong po tayo dito. So, dito po sama-sama po tayo sa pag-unlad natin. So, habang tumutulong tayo, yung pag-unlad kasama na sa atin.
Yes, grabe! Grabe talaga yung GPRS talaga. As in, hindi ko makapaniwala talaga na sa ganitong negosyo talaga, at saka ganitong company talaga, makikita ako at saka maging parte ako doon. Talapakalaging bagay talaga kasi nandito po ako ngayon sa Aliw Cheddar po galing Iloilo City.
Wala na akong masabi. You are so excited.
Yes.
Ano bang excitement mo? Anong gusto mo sa Global Pinoy?
Alam mo, grabe, kasi dito talaga, mangarap ka talaga, pinakita talaga ng company na lahat po ng Pilipino ay buksan po yung mga pangarap dahil sa negosyong ito. Ito kaya kung bakit napakasaya po namin.
Okay, more power to you. And next year, ikaw ng top award.
Yes! Aakyat po ako ng stage!
Ang saya-saya dito sa Global Pinoy. Grabe, power talaga dito.
Ang daming tao dito sa Aliw Theater. Nakakabaliw.
Yeah.
So anyway, I know that you're a seaman, matagal ka na. So maganda pang negosyo to para sa mga OFW.
Naku, napakaganda po. Maraming matutulungan ng mga OFW to, lalo katulad ko. Talagang grabe talaga dito sa Global Pinoy.
So kabaliw mga tao dito sa Global Pinoy.
Kasi ito na po ang pagkakataon nating yumaman. Kaya baliw na baliw ang lahat na tao dito ngayon. Power na power. Lahat ay payaman. Basta kasali ka sa GPRS, UPS. Yan ang tao mga tatama at yaman talaga. You know, power. Yun, good luck.
Sa Global Pinoy. Ano bang reason? Bakit nababaliw ang mga tao sa Global Pinoy?
Ay grabe, kasi dito, inisip talaga namin na dito na matutupad yung mga pangarap namin. Kahit mag-abroad po, ako po, 5 years ako sa OFW po sa Kuwait as a private nurse, pero walang nakita talagang pagbabago. So dito talaga, grabe, positive po talaga. At saka lahat ng dito na babago yung attitude nyo. Grabe, dito lahat. Tsaka napakagaling talaga ng GPRS. Number 1, thank you. I love you, GPRS. Yes.
Right now, katabi natin si Dr.
Montero.
Montero, and he's one of our Global Pinoy franchisee locations sa Davao del Sur.
Specifically Digo City.
Digo City.
Yes, ma'am.
Kumusta naman po doon, ang
So
Global Pinoy?
far, so good. Number 1, GPRS.
And you flew all the way to be with us today.
Yeah.
Oo. Kailan po kayo nag-start ng franchise out there?
Actually, only just last year. October of last year.
I see. Can you imagine, doktor na, negosyante pa sa Global Pinoy? Amazing combination, Doc.
Thank you.
Anyway, later on, mag-award sila ng isang franchisee. Can you imagine? Kaya kami...
I'm crossing my fingers. I hope
Yun na nga Kaya nga, lahat excited. But thank you for coming and gracing our show. Thank you. More power to you.
Yeah, thank you.